Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a healthy source of protein to keep in your pantry, I want to show you these Bush's garbanzo beans or chickpeas. So I really love chickpeas. I love the flavor, I love the texture, and they're an awesome thing to keep on hand for a quick weeknight meal to add a little bit of protein, a little bit of extra fiber, and open up the possibilities of lots of different delicious recipes. So I love these on their own. Sometimes I'll just throw them on a salad. They're also really good if you toast them up in a pan, maybe add some seasonings, they get a little bit crunchy. I also really love to make homemade hummus, and that's probably what I use these for the most. So it's nice that they are already prepared. Unlike dry chickpeas, which need to soak and be cooked for a long time, these are ready to go. You just open the can, rinse them off, and pop them into your favorite recipe. So if your recipe is calling for some delicious chickpeas, I would definitely check out these Bush's Best, and that is my point of view.